Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do your homework. So please first go to your online classroom, scroll down and click on Teacher Messages. Then scroll down and click on Tuesday, January 26. Scroll down. So first watch this video. This is the video that I'm making right now. And then you have 3 pieces of homework to do. Number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1, you're going to study about prepositions of place. So click here. Okay, now scroll down. And then there are 5 slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you start here. Click here on slide 2. Now here you can look at the pictures, look at the vocabulary, you can listen. Beside, so you're going to learn prepositions of place. You click here and you listen. Then go to the next slide. Beside, again you can listen. Read the question and answer. Listen to the next one. Scroll down, click on the next slide. Again, read the question and the answer. You can listen to it and practice. And finally, number 5. So again, read the vocabulary, read the question and the answer. You can listen here and practice the prepositions of place. When you finished, scroll down. Okay, now answer the question. Click turn to check your answer. So the question is, where is the salad dressing? Where is it? It is beside the apples. So if you click turn, you will see the answer. Then you can go to the next one. There are 3 pictures, 3 cards. Number 2. Again, where is the cereal? Click here to check your answer. Number 3. Where is the tea? So 3 cards. When you finished, scroll down and you're going to practice prepositions of place. So here you click here to start. Okay. Now you need to type your answers. So where are the potatoes? Look at the picture. They are in the which department? You have to type your answer. Produce department. Where in the produce department? Beside the peppers. And then check your answer. Then go to the next slide. Again, where is the cabbage? Type your answer here and then check. Then go to the next slide and next and next. There are 11 slides. 9th slide. Now you have to complete the question here. Where the cheese? What do you write here? What's the be verb here? And then complete the sentence. And then click on the slide number 10. So you are finished. Before finishing it, you have to click here. And then you can see your, your score. So this is the first homework. Then you can go back and click on the second homework. So grocery department's vocabulary. Again, you start here. You watch the video. There are 11 slides. When you finish, you click on the last slide to see your score. Go back and number 3. to scroll down, click Start here. So you listen here, and then you move the words. Goes shopping. He gets a shopping cart. Oops. And then you go to the next slide, and next, and next, until you finish. You have to click here at the end. And this is the last homework. Please finish your homework before 9 p.m. tonight. When you've finished, you could just log out of your online classroom. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day.